What are garlic and honey? Garlic is a bulbous plant that is part of the onion family. It has been used for culinary and medicinal purposes for thousands of years. Garlic is a rich source of sulfur compounds, vitamins, and minerals, and is believed to have numerous health benefits. Honey is a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and is believed to have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and wound-healing properties. When combined, garlic and honey create a potent natural remedy that is believed to provide a variety of health benefits. Number 1. Supports brain health. Garlic and honey can both support brain health. Garlic contains compounds that can help improve cognitive function and protect against age-related brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Honey has also been shown to have neuroprotective properties, which can help to support brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Number 2. Promotes wound healing. Garlic and honey have been used for centuries to heal wounds. Garlic fights infections and reduces inflammation. Honey soothes the skin and provides a barrier against bacteria. Both promote wound healing. Number 3. Fights colds and flu. Garlic and honey can both help fight off cold and flu symptoms. Garlic has been shown to have antiviral properties, which can help reduce the severity and duration of cold and flu symptoms. Honey can also help soothe sore throats and reduce coughing. Number 4. Improves cardiovascular health. Garlic is also known to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, while honey can improve circulation. By taking the two together before bed, you may be able to improve your overall cardiovascular health. Number 5. Prevent cancer. Garlic has anti-cancer organosulfur compounds. These substances block the formation of cancer-causing substances. Garlic may slow the growth and spread of cancer cells. Honey has antioxidants and phytochemicals. Garlic and honey may have cancer-fighting properties. They should not replace medical treatment. If you're concerned about your risk of developing cancer, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider about appropriate screening and prevention strategies. Number 6. Aids in digestion. Digestive issues can affect daily life. Garlic stimulates the production of digestive juices and has prebiotic properties that promote beneficial gut bacteria. Honey contains enzymes and prebiotics that aid digestion. Taking garlic and honey before bedtime can help with digestion. How to prepare garlic and honey remedy. Preparing garlic and honey remedy is simple and easy. Here are the steps. Choose high-quality garlic and honey. When selecting garlic, choose fresh garlic cloves that are firm, plump, and have a papery skin. For honey, choose raw, organic honey that has not been pasteurized or heated, as this can destroy some beneficial nutrients. Prepare the garlic. Peel and crush 1 or 2 garlic cloves and let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before consuming. This will help to activate the beneficial compounds in the garlic. Mix with honey. Mix the crushed garlic with a spoonful of honey. You can also add other ingredients such as lemon juice or apple cider vinegar for additional health benefits and flavor. Consume before bedtime. Take the mixture on an empty stomach before bedtime, at least 2-3 hours after your last meal. This will allow for better absorption and digestion. Start with a small amount, such as a teaspoon, and gradually increase to a tablespoon if desired. Rinse mouth with water. After consuming the mixture, rinse your mouth with water to help reduce the risk of bad breath. Store properly. Store the garlic and honey mixture in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. It can last for several days to a week in the refrigerator.